So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Microsoft stock, ticker symbol MSFT here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass. At the top, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol MSFT for Microsoft. At the top here, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on trade and then press on buy. Now once you're here, you can adjust the session type, the order type, as well as the quantity. And once that is all done, go to the bottom and press on the green buy button, and then you can proceed this way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Microsoft stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.